all-rounder of the match awards in 2 games. And today he scored a 37. If he can get a wicket or 2, he's coming back to that presentation.
And how well you do it, those presentations. Very good.
So here we are in the 13th over. Just break it down. What is the plan here that Gujranwala is going with?
Well, I think most sides, when I say comfortable, they think 50 off the last 5. So they're 65 off 46 balls. So 15 off the next 16 balls leaves 50 in. Problem is they keep losing wickets. Once again, spin has been the major factor for why now the Sharks are biting back. Matthew Trump goes back to a foolish delivery, doesn't really spin, it just skids. It skids on. And once again, Viv Richards is dancing.
Yeah, he was expecting the ball to spin a little. He was playing for that. He's gone straight with the arm. Trump has to walk back. And he's got 14 to his name. Gujranwala, 67 for 6. Quick run there. Ali Asman off the mark with that single. Let's have a look at the wicket again.
Just again, it's just the angle that he creates, and the fact that Trump is trying to work that to the leg side. It's just great to see the enthusiasm that Viv has. And Mushtaq Ahmed, cut through the keeper's legs, and this should run all the way for a boundary. So a boundary for Shevon Daniel.
Yeah, he's the only hope left for them, because we know he can bat. Only if he can find a partner. This one kept low. But at the moment, Gujranwala is just happy that the runs get added to that total. 72 for 6, still 60 away. You're talking about spinners. Spinners have done so well. 4 out of 6 wickets are spinners. That should go to the boundary. That's hit well. That's timed well by Shevon Daniel. So 2 boundaries. This looks like a good over. 13 gone, 76 for 6.
Yeah, in some ways this might be a bit of a counter, because he's just seen wickets drop at the other end. He's thinking, right, okay, talk about that, what we were on about, 50 in the last 5 overs. Well, they're ahead of that. 56 off 42 deliveries shouldn't be difficult in T20 cricket in a chase on a wicket that is just sliding on. There's a bit of dew out there as well.
1-1, Danny. Easy.
Shevon's got to lead the way. 27 of 28 of 25, and keep finding that odd boundary every over. We surely know that he's capable of it. Even Ali Asman, he's just come from the national T20, so he's played with the big boys. He's played with Shoaib Malik's team, Central Punjab. Well, Shoaib wasn't the captain there, but he's earned this spot over here. And that should be out. If it's bat first, it's out. It was quick. Bat couldn't come down in time. And just when I was talking about him, he's been given out by the umpire, but he's reviewed it. So we'll have to wait a little longer.
It's whether he's got a bat on it. He seemed to go really quickly. Or whether it's just clipped the front pad on the way to the back pad. Let's go through the process. Front foot, fine. You can tell now, fine. Think about the angle created because he's a left arm. Does it hold? Yes. Does he get a bat on it? As you would say, nay. I think this is a good decision. What I'm seeing there is a gap between the inside edge and the ball. And it's just been pushed on back and forth so the third umpire can just see it, slow motion. And this is why it makes it such a good decision. The on-field umpire has one go at it. One go.
Yeah, it's a good call because if it's that close to the bat, and from what we see in the replay, it has not touched any part of that wood. And once it's given out on field, then God help you.
Well, it's just out. Absolutely smashing into, I would say, middle and leg. I think it's an excellent on-field decision, getting communication from the third umpire. And you can perhaps pick up how excited the Sharks are. Ali Ashfand goes for 8. Well, they're in trouble. Gujranwala 85 for 7.
Straight away, Ibtisam off the mark. They're 7 down.
They're 7 down. They need 46 off 33. Great to see the kids coming in. Got any kids around and they're bored or they want to come and watch a bit of cricket, bring them down. Come on. Lovely to see you smiling and enjoying yourself. Come and get involved. In the air, decided to take it on. This could be not just a wicket, the match as well. It is the big wicket of Shevon Daniel. He knew he had to take it and try and win it for the Giants. And he is the next one to fall for 28.
Yeah, this chase is absolutely not planned by Gujranwala Giants. They're just getting desperate now as every wicket is falling. And Shevon Daniel couldn't do any different, realizing he's running out of partners, so he has to score big and score quickly. Was nowhere close to clearing that boundary there. In fact, the captain was in a good position. And that's the end of Shevon Daniel. And as Dominic said, perhaps the Giants as well. He almost went on to hit that off stump. Played it very late. That's the wicket of Shevon Daniel. Well, the right man to have in the dugout, Mushtaq Ahmed. 6 wickets are spinners, and they make it 7. Well, surely this match is getting wrapped up pretty quickly. Gujranwala Giants are just falling like dominoes.
By the way, your man again, you called it, all-rounder of the match, Arafat Minhas. Wow, what a performance from him. 37 with the bat. He's now bowled 2 overs and got 4 for 13. Absolute delight for on-field players, mentors, coaches. It is the end of Hassan Ali Jr. for none. We're near the end. 86 for 9.